Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to log into your Simply Work account. In order to log into your Simply Work account, first you'll need to open browser of your choice. On the very top, you can find search bar. From here, you'll have to type in simplywork.com. After you type in simplywork.com, you'll have to press enter. You will be directed to the home page of Simply Work. Now, you'll have to tap on the login option on the very top of your screen, right above web clock. Make sure to enter your email and password that you have first created your Simply Work account with. In the first box, you'll have to type in your email, and in the second box, you'll have to type in your password correctly. After you type in your email and password correctly, you'll have to tap in the login option. And just like that, you'll be logged in into your Simply Work account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log into Simply Work. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe.